Okay, I just got in the door and didn't even take off my vest and hat because I wanted to show you this unboxing right away. I just got this from Nibble Chocolate. Oh my gosh, am I excited. Okay, so this is brand new this year. Well, actually they had them last year, but they sold out and I'm really excited to try them. I'm gonna try them on camera with you right now. These are dark chocolate, strawberry, almonds. I have 3 things to show you today. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. Okay, have a look at them and let's have a try. Oh wow. These are so good. They make such exquisite chocolate. And this is a really nice gift. It's in a glass jar and you can reuse the jar. Again, have a look at them. The strawberry is subtle. It goes really nice with the dark chocolate and the almonds. So delicious. Next up, if you guys haven't yet bought these truffles, you really need to. I treat myself to the truffles every year. I'm going to be buying another box because when Christmas comes, that's my treat. I get the Nibble truffles and I sometimes share. Not always. So I'm just going to open these and show you. Oh dear, here we are. So there's one of each flavor. Just look how beautiful that is. What a nice gift. Look at how beautiful. And the flavors are, let's see, upside down. There's a dark truffle, so it's like a pure dark chocolate, raspberry, coffee. I don't like coffee, but I love espresso chocolate. I don't know what it is, like espresso or coffee. Pomegranate sea salt, oat vanilla, chai. The chai is delicious. Mexican and lemon. So those are the varieties right here. And let's see if I can take off the cover. Yeah, that looks better so you guys can see them a little more clearly. Oh, look at those guys. Do you want me to cut into one? Which one? I feel like I want to try the pomegranate sea salt. So it's not like I haven't tried it, but look at that. See that? Oh boy. Okay. They're just so darn good. And this is brand new. I didn't even know this was available. It must be new this year. It is dates and pistachio. So she sent me this as a little extra. I didn't know this was available, so I'm just gonna check into what it is. Bear with me. It's like I'm wrapping a Christmas gift. It's so exciting. So that's the packaging. Dates and pistachio. So I'm wondering if it's dipped in chocolate. This is way more exciting than Christmas. Oh. These look amazing. Look at that. Okay, let's cut into this baby. Oh my word, this could be a new favorite. It's not a pistachio nut. These are insane. These rival the truffles. It's not a pistachio nut, it's pistachio cream, like pistachio nut butter. Can you see that? This is freaking fabulous. Don't ask me to share it with the family. Might just tuck these away from myself. Guys, if you haven't yet tried Nibble, get yourself some goodies. What a glorious gift to give someone. I'm putting these on my gift guide. I usually put the truffles. I'm gonna put both because here they are here. If someone gave me that as a gift, they're a friend for life. That's all. Okay. So go make yourself a friend for life. Go get me some chocolate dates and we're friends. No, I kid. But you really want to get some of these for gifts. My ice machine is talking. Get some of these for gifts. Get them for yourself. Treat yourself and get some Nibble dates, some Nibble truffles, some Nibble chocolate strawberry almonds. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you're on YouTube, I appreciate that, and subscribe. And the link to Nibble is below if you're watching on Instagram or YouTube. No, Instagram or Facebook, comment Nibble and we'll send you the link. Okay, thanks for watching.